Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how you can embed a Flipgrid into your Canvas course. So that way, say you want to have a page and you want the students to do the Flipgrid directly on that page rather than having to go to an assignment or something like that, you can do that. So what you do is you just go to your pages of whatever course you're working on, add a new page, and this way you can also have an assignment linked to that page if you want to, or you can have your weekly Zoom call linked to that page, whatever you want to do. So let's just title it Practice Flipgrid. And what you're going to do is you're first going to make sure you have a Flipgrid account. Okay, so make sure you have that done. And then when you have it done and signed in, you're going to go to your discussions on your Flipgrid and you're going to add a topic. So this can be whatever you want it to be. So let's say I teach PE, so this is like my week 1 topic about me. And then you want to put your question here, what you want your students to do. So I'm going to say, introduce yourself by saying your name and favorite summer activity. Then tell the class 2 interesting facts about yourself. All right. Then you're going to give them a time limit. For closed captions, you can choose whatever language you would like it in, and then you would let them add a media source. You could add this now if you wanted to help engage your students, or you can do it after you submit it, whatever you want to do. And then I keep it private, and then I just have it whatever our school email is, the ending, so all the students that have their email can get on there. But if you have some students that you know may need a guest or parents log in and do it, you could do this option as well. And then you're going to create the topic, and then your topic's going to be ready. So what you're going to do is you're going to get this embedded link, and as you probably know by now, embedded links are gold with Canvas. You use them all the time. Sorry, I didn't explain what I was doing. Go to your back to your page that you're working on and go to your HTML editor in the right corner of the page, and you're going to paste that embedded link. Click back to the rich content editor, and it's going to be pasted in there. And it looks, so join with Google so you can see what it looks like when the students are logged in. And then it's going to look kind of funny. So let's go to what it would look like if it was posted right now for students. You can see that the dimensions of it are not good, right? They have to scroll. It doesn't take up this whole area. So you can fix that by going up to edit and then go back to the HTML editor, and you're going to go to your width. You can leave the height 600, that's fine, but go to your width and you want to do 100%, and that means it's going to take up 100% of the area in the rich content editor, and it'll fill it in. So again, log back in. It just is doing this to me because I'm not logged into my school Google account, which is throwing things off. So here you go. So now let's save it and let's see if that looks better. And now you can see it is taking up all of the width of the screen. So now what you can do is you can record a response and have your response here, and your students will be able to look at your response before they submit theirs or after they submit theirs, and then they can comment on it, and then they can start commenting on each other's. And this can also be a built-in discussion activity for your students, especially good for the first week of school as an icebreaker or just get to know you activity.